Dear viewers, we're going to show you how to make chicken shawarma today. Okay, we got some chicken is cut in little slice, and we're going to marinate it now. We need 2 tablespoons of vinegar, we're going to add tablespoon of lemon juice, we need some yogurt, we're going to add some cumin, some cinnamon powder, little bit of nutmeg, salt to taste, and some pepper. Half a teaspoon of sugar. You mix them well together, and then we're going to add our olive oil to it. Now we're adding our olive oil. Mix them well, and we got to put some garlic and ginger paste. We're going to add it now. We mix them, and we're going to keep it for a couple of hours, so the spices is going to get in very well. Now we're going to add some oil to a pan. As soon as they heat up, we're going to add our chicken. Look at my chicken, they're cooking away. Oh, the smell is beautiful. Minutes. We're going to cover it for a few minutes. Viewers, have a look my beautiful chicken, they're cooking away. It's going to take another 4 to 5 minutes until they are completely done. I think now we're not going to put any more lid on it. We're going to keep it open, so it's going to evaporate all the waters out of there. Viewers, my chicken is ready, so now we're going to put it in a bowl. Viewers, we're going to heat up our bread. Viewers, we're going to assemble our dish now. First of all, we're going to put some garlic mayo. We put our salad. We put our salad. Now we're going to put a few tomatoes in them. And now we're going to add our beautiful chicken. Viewers, this is my beautiful chicken shawarma. Yow, bon appetit and enjoy.